Gentlemen, welcome. For those who have not been here before, in front of you there is a commonly known game of chess in a more high-stakes form. The winner of this game will be able to return to the life recently left behind. Good luck to you both.
Back up Muslims.
I'm just sick and tired of this anti-gay bullshit.
Family and I are undocumented.
It's my sister.
I actually just not taking it inside.
Everybody stand back!
We've been to the storage unit. We know you bought it.
You would've just left me alone. It didn't have to be like this.
I just want to know how somebody with $6 million can't pay the damn storage bill.
Well, you look like a successful businessman. It's pretty big shoes to fill, Kat.
I don't think that's a bad thing.
Well, what if you, have dirt on your name? That could ruin the kid. Right, Snipes?
Who is Snipes?
That's just a little nickname we had for Kat back in the day.
You know what's crazy? I was starting to think that Kevin didn't have any friends outside of work.
Is that right? Me and this guy have been best friends since the 4th grade.
Oh, really? You never told me that, babe.
Well, there's a lot that I can tell you. So much to